Welcome to another video in the series about the TI-ARM-Clang compiler. This video discusses the Safety Compiler Qualification Kit. My name is George Mock and I'm your guide. So the Safety Compiler Qualification Kit is for those of you working on projects where functional safety is very important. What it does is it enables you to ensure that your use of the TI-ARM-Clang compiler complies with functional safety standards for industrial, automotive, and railway applications. It gives you the flexibility to use all of the features and all of the options and everything that TI-ARM-Clang supplies however it comes. There's no limitations imposed on that on how you use the compiler as may be the case with other similar kits. It's free of charge for all TI customers and it's available right now. So I'm going to show you one good way to get to the qualification kit. So let's start with the home page for the ARM-Clang compiler, which is ti.com/TI-ARM-Clang, which currently redirects to right here. Oh, and I should mention that obviously this is being done at a particular point in time. By the time you do this, things might be a little bit different, but I think it'll be very similar to how we're looking at it right now. Okay, so this is the page that you get to when you go. This is the current home page for the TI-ARM-Clang compiler. Of course, subject to change over time. This is the online manual. Okay, so we'll select this. And the compiler qualification kit is one of the bullets early on in the manual. There it is right there. And here it is. Okay, and I recommend that you begin with the documentation. Okay, the basic user's guide, which is right there. For those of you who are interested in using this, my honest advice is to start with this and actually start trying to do it on some simple project. You know, pick some blinking LED or something project and actually try and quote-unquote qualify your use of the compiler with that project, and you'll get a very quickly, and I don't know, in the range of 15 to 30 minutes, you'll get a very good idea of how that will scale up to your actual project. And that's my honest advice, is to come here, get that user's manual there, which is, by the way, 2.5 pages, and actually try and do it on a small little project. So as we're nearing the end of this video, I'll give you a few quick references. The first one we actually just saw. That's the home page for the TI-ARM-Clang compiler at ti.com/TI-ARM-Clang. You can download it. You saw the online manual. Other details like that are available there. And then the other reference is to e2e.ti.com. That's where you go to ask any question on any TI product, including TI-ARM-Clang. If you happen to ask a question that's related to the compiler, that question will be answered by me. Thank you for watching this video in the series about the TI-ARM-Clang compiler.